Welcome back. In the previous lecture, you had saw that we have successfully implemented your forget password and reset password feature. Now, in this lecture, here we have decided to implement the user dashboard first of all. Then we will move to the user profile component. So, so first thing here you need to create the account if we have not yet created. So let me to click on this one and then let I want to create the new account. Create here. Click on this button, create new account. Then you will be redirected to the register page and then we will use this extension fake filler. You can just install this extension. You have to basically go let me you have to go Chrome extension store here. This is your Chrome web store and here you will find that extension fake filler. You will see you have to just it here we have already added in the browser, so that's why it is a button like remove from the Chrome, but you have not yet added. Then at that time you will see a like button add to Chrome. So after that you will see that extension here fake filler. So let me close here and then we will copy this one and then creating your account. After that it will be redirected to the here. What happened, guys? I think it is nothing. Okay, we have successfully registered. Now let me try to log in with that credential. We have that email. Okay, I know that the issue is that let me again we will create the new user because we forget to copy yours that emails. Here we copy this one, copy it, creating your account, register successfully, then use fake fillers, fill your detail, sign in. Now you will see here we will successfully log in, and if you successfully logged in, then you will see in the profile picture. So you have to click on this. We will click here, then it will be redirected to this page dashboard here. So let we have to create here. This is your project inside it, inside dashboard, inside user page.js file, and you will see we have already in this text. This is your user dashboard, guys. Formatting document now. So basically, this is your page. Now here we have to implement the real logics of your dashboard. So first of all, enable the client-side rendering required for using the hook for our browser API in the Next.js. So here we have that huge client and then import the necessary component from the components. Basically, in this one, in from this component we have like files folder. We will import in this one in this dashboard user page.njs file. So let me first import here, then later on we will create all this component. So here we have to import the vertical tab layout wrapper from the user dashboard folder. Import vertical tabs from at the rate /component /dashboard /user vertical component vertical vertical tabs. And just here you have import. Then import in the dashboard content component. Here import dash dashboard from at the rate forward slash component and then forward slash component inside dashboard and then forward slash user forward slash dashboard. Got it. Now here we have to render the vertical tab as the layout refer tab on the side. This one you need to remove this one. Then inside it we will pass the dashboard as a child. It will be rendered inside your vertical tab as children. So inside it your component vertical tab and then inside. Okay guys, let me remove this one. And then this is what dashboard component. Got it. So here we have imported your component. You know that we have not yet created all these things, all these components. So let me create here. Let me copy this dashboard. Then you will see go inside component, then inside dashboard here, then inside user, then vertical tab. So this is your component folder. Inside create new folder dashboard, and then inside it create new folder. And this is the user. Then inside it create vertical tab. Copy this component like this is a component file vertical tab dot js files. Similarly your dashboard.js component. Okay guys, we have made the mistake. What? No, here everything is fine. Then inside it user create dashboard dot js files. Now we will work on this dashboard and vertical tab. So first we have to work on this vertical tabs. So for that one you need to go inside, and this is a hotel hub template inside dashboard inside user. Here we have that component already written. Copy it. Then you have to go inside vertical tab here. Just paste it here. Now then similarly this is your style for your vertical tab. So copy this code and paste inside your projects here. This is style. Similarly we need this one tab here, item tab. So okay, we will later on import this one, otherwise you will confuse here. So first we will work on this one. Okay, this is your vertical tabs. Basically this component we have import here inside page.js file. You will find it here, this one, this vertical tab from here. And this is your children means what? This one guys, this is your in that particular component in this dashboard. You will got here as a children's, and you will find it here inside it. Here we have enabled react component to run on the client side. That is what use client. Then here we have imported already the necessary react hook and component from the UI Next.js like use effect, use state, then component from the material UI, use theme, use media query box, and then next navigation here use path name. Then here we have the styled divider, the root style tabs tab panel from the style.js file. So let me go to here. This is style.js files. So inside it you will get all this component. This is style component we have already created. You will find this one styled author styled divider. So that's why here you will see a styled divider. Then next it is Next it is what here root. So again you will find it here this root from imported this one is styles dot and js files. After that here styles tabs. So you'll see the styles tabs as well as then this is the tab panel component. So you will find it here inside this one this tab panels component this one and inside it here we have written some css code css in js like flex here flex grow one padding then theme the breakpoint and dot up basically I want to make it the responsiveness so that's why here we have created all this component. So let me here we have to close this one guys. So you know that here okay let me first close. First we will work on this thing then we will move another things. So here so what you can do here this is so first here we will work on this here. So here we have already imported this one tab items and custom tab from the tabs items. So let here we copy this one also use here this is your component from the food up template. Copy this, copy it, close here your food up template, then go inside user and paste this file. Now first we will work on this vertical tabs and you will see here this is tab items. So in this tab item we have the tab items and custom tab component. Let me check it here. This is your tab items, this is the area of element like dashboard label values path. We have all the things tab item you will check it here like this is area of objects. This is area for object, so you can use in the map functions and access each value like icon, label, value, path. Then similarly, this is like first area of element, its index 0. Then similarly, first index. Here we have the icon, label, values, path. Similarly, next it is password icon. After that, message icon. Next it is order icon. Then next it is reservation icon. Then review icons, wishlist icon, address icon. Okay, so this tab item we have imported here. You see tab item. Then custom tab means this component, this one custom tab. Basically inside it, here this custom tab we will pass item value handle change function from the vertical tabs from here in these functions. So let's see do that. So inside it here you will get your children. You know that here children means what. So you have wrap whatever you have wrap inside vertical tab, basically this one here this is your vertical tab and inside it you will pass your dashboard component. Dashboard means this one this dashboard.js files. So this dashboard you will get here as children this one. So here we have the hook to get the current path name from the URL. So const path name is equal to use path name. So this is here we will getting the use path name from the next navigations. Then what we have to do here also hook to set the current EMUI theme for the breakpoint and styling. Basically I want to make this component responsive for the small device. So that's why we will use here const is mobile it is equal use media query. Then inside here that like okay we have it forget first define your theme const theme it is equal to use theme and then this variable theme you will access here theme dot breakpoints dot down. Then inside it here write md. The next is here we have to state to here state to store the currently selected tab index const values, then set values it is equal to use state and initialize with zero values. And then we have that is the use effect. And then when the path name changes to sync tab with the current root, basically I want to make that particular tab it is active whenever you refresh the page. So that's why here let's make it use effect. So inside you will make it our functions, and whenever the path changes, then again you will mount this component. Then inside here we have to find the tab item whose path match the beginning of the current URL. So const active tab is equal to tab item dot find. Then you have to make it our functions. We will access each item. This is item. So here path name dot starts with then item dot path. Let me explain here. This one tab item. Tab items means this file tab items, and you will see this one, guys. This is area of object. So here we will execute in the function, and I want to access this path. But so in this one I want to exit tab means I want to find each path. Start with item dot path. You will see item dot path means this path, guys. This one you will see inside here this path. Okay. Then now let me, so we will find that one. Then what you have to do here, if a magic tab is found, update the tab index. So here if active tab, then inside here set value, inside it here active tab dot values. And then here we have, that is also store the active tab index in local storage client side only. If inside it here check the type of window not is equal to undefined. So then inside it here local storage dot set item active tab and its value active tab dot values. Here active tab dot value means this one. This is your value. This one like 0, like 2, like 1. Got it? So formative document. So we have successfully defined this one. And then outside it, here we have to also define it as a handle when the user manually change the tabs. Handle when the user manually changes the tab. Const handle change function. It is equal to make it a function, and inside it you get here event, then new value. Then inside it here update the tab index, set values, new values. Then inside it here we have to store the new tab index in local storage for the persistence. If type type of window not it is equal to undefined, then inside it here let us set your values local storage dot set item, then this is what active tab, and this is a new values formula document. Basically you know it, this function we will pass inside it here. You will find here this one handle change functions values item inside it we will use. So that's why we will create it here. Then let here remove the verticals. So here this is your box component. Now it's below. Here we have to custom horizontal line for the separators, styled dividers component. It is self closing. Then inside it here custom styled tabs component. So here this is a here main tab container using the styled component. Okay, first basically it is the root, then inside it what you have here is styled, this is a styled types, then formula document, then inside it here what we have tabs are vertical on desktop, horizontal on mobile, orientation. So orientation is equal to just here make it a responsive is mobile, that is the horizontal for the mobile device, horizontal then this is a vertical. This is vertical. After that this is a allow is scrolling if there are too many tabs. So variant, this is a variant is scroll level. Then here we have the currently active tabs value, it is equal to value, then on change here on change your function handle change functions, then scroll button here we have to show scroll button on mobile device, scroll, here scroll buttons it is equal, then inside here again we will check the responsiveness, basically this is auto, and then here we made the mistakes colon auto, then so this is not colon here, basically I want to make it or use in the ternary operators. Formula document, so scroll buttons, then inside it here we have to loop through each tab item and render a custom tabs. So that's why here inside it you write in the tabs item dot map functions, then inside it so this is what inside it. Let's test this. The each item, you know that here item means guys this values here like this one. Okay, so this is items. So inside it now we will use component custom tab and it is self closing. Now inside it passing the values here unique key for react renderings key, it is equal to item dot values. Then here type configuration item. It is item. The next it is here value. It is a value. And then you change handle functions. Handle change it is equal to handle change functions formatted document. Okay. So here we have successfully displayed the content path to the vertical tabs as children's. So this is style tabs. Now it's below here. We will display the current path to the vertical tabs as children's. So tab panel inside it we will pass your children's your component like dashboard. Got it? So in the next lecture we will work on this custom tab component. Inside it here we have that one. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.